Hi guys, this is Quentin with the DJSupplyStore.com. We just got a whole shipment of these in, and it's the Blizzard Lighting, the puck, and here is the puck itself, and it's actually a very nice fixture. I've actually had a chance to plug it in and take a look at it, but I thought I'd give you a little overview. So here's the back side of it. You get your menu, down, up, enter, DMX out, your DMX in, your power out, your power in, and that's pretty much it for the fixture. So in the next video we'll show you how it works. Alright guys, we're all hooked up and ready to go. As you can see, we have our fixture set, we have our DMX in, and we have our power hooked up, and we're going to get ready to rock here. And so we have it hooked up to the Chauvet Obey 70, and there's an option on the puck where you can have either 4-channel or 6-channel DMX, and right now we have it on 6-channel. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you the different channels and what they do, okay? So here we go. Okay, so now that we're ready to go, we have our channel 6 turned on, which is our dimmer, and now we're going to turn on our red here. Our green, our blue, and then kind of our little patterns where it can go through. You can adjust the speed, you know, if you want to go slow, fast. If you want to strobe, you can do that. You can see it's kind of strobing there. So, but now what we're going to do is I'll show you what each channel does. Is our red, channel 2 is our green, channel 3 is our blue, channel 4 is our patterns where it goes through all the colors, channel 5 is our strobe, so if we turn 5 on and then we turn our red on, it'll strobe.